We have an interesting news on Tesla Cybertruck. It looks like Tesla is building a huge Cybertruck silhouette on the wall of Giga Texas. A huge silhouette of Tesla Cybertruck was yesterday spotted on wall of Giga Texas. You're gonna take a look at the video and let me know, friends, if you think you think the same way and your thoughts on this. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news and ring the bell so you don't miss my next Tesla story. So Tesla installed a facade on Giga Texas that resembles the silhouette of Cybertruck. It could be a coincidence, a simple Tesla style prank, or a real decoration for a factory that will produce two iconic electric pickup truck. In fact, so real that when I read the same news in the German media, people are saying, when is something like this coming to Giga Berlin's wall? They probably mean Giga Berlin will have the picture, the silhouette of the Model Y on the wall instead of that Giga Berlin art, which I kind of don't like very much, but maybe a silhouette of Model Y could be the good thing, interesting thing to do, as Model Y will be the first vehicle made in Giga Berlin. So let's take a look at this video quickly together. It's a 30-second video and then we'll talk about this. So Tesla's new Gigafactory in the US state of Texas is taking shape. And recently, in a surprising way, like the factory that started earlier in Grünheide, Germany, the main building has the shape of long rectangle and is nearing completion. The last remaining gaps in the roof covering and on the sides were closed at high speed. And as one observer noticed, Tesla appears to be using one of the factory's outer walls for a huge profile of its pickup Cybertruck, the silhouette. Despite the seriousness of this mission, the Tesla CEO Elon Musk is always up for fun, I guess, and the idea with the Giga-Cybertruck in the factory wall should go back directly to him. For the German Gigafactory, he has asked for graffiti to be used for embellishment, but so far he has only received it virtually, probably because the construction site is fenced off and well guarded. In fact, Elon Musk or someone in Tesla, if you guys are listening to this report, I like the silhouette of a vehicle on the wall of the Gigafactory much better than having a graffiti, which doesn't look good to me anyway. So in Texas, however, the construction companies commissioned by Tesla seem to lend a hand to ensure that the new Gigafactory does not look like a normal factory, Giga Texas. According to Elon Musk, both the Model Y, probably first, as well as the Cybertruck electric pickup truck from Tesla and the semi-trailer will be built there at Gigafactory Texas in Austin. In addition, when he announced the location near Austin in July 2020, he announced that the Tesla factory would become an eco-friendly paradise for visitors. Now, Austin Tesla Club shared that video saying, look, beginnings of giant Cybertruck spotted on Giga Texas, Elon Musk. It looks so massive. I have to confess, when I saw this video first time, I didn't realize what they were talking about, but then it looks like this is really the thing that they're talking about. It looks like a real silhouette of the Tesla Cybertruck on the wall of Giga Texas. There is currently not much of nature to be seen on the construction site, but another possible attraction is becoming visible to the public, and this may draw public to the Gigafactory Texas. Remember, Elon Musk, when opening the Gigafactory Texas's presentation ideas, he said it will be a a place where people can visit. So what are the things people are going to watch? They're going to watch things like this on the wall, and their mind will be on the Gigafactory Texas, and they probably will think about Tesla vehicles and especially the Cybertruck. So as observers documented at the weekend during a drone flight and while driving past in a car, the rear two-thirds of Tesla Cybertruck can be seen on one of the long outer sides of the Gigafactory Texas due to the omitted panels, the one gently rising from behind and falling more sharply from the middle. The wedge shape is clearly visible. The front part of the Cybertruck is still missing, but that also applies to the entire cladding of the steel frame at this point. The huge Tesla pickup and the wall of the huge Tesla factory should therefore still be completed. So we'll keep an eye on this and see if Tesla completes this on the wall of Gigafactory Austin, and we'll let you know about this. Maybe in a couple of weeks it will be completed. So when is the real Cybertruck coming, friends? No other Tesla profiles have been discovered in it so far, and because the Gigafactory building is otherwise largely clad, they should not come anymore. But the Cybertruck is also easier to show schematically than Model Y or Semi, and his Musk's favorite project. It is, the Cybertruck, as he has said several times, he likes the unconventional pickup electric truck so much that he doesn't even care if it fails, the Tesla boss said in this July. For the time being, however, it remains unclear when the Tesla Cybertruck would not only be on display on the Gigafactory, but also be produced inside. Recently, Tesla changed the expected start of production year on the web from 2021 to 2022, and on AI Day last week, Elon Musk announced new autopilot hardware and better cameras at Tesla that will probably come with the Cybertruck in about a year or so, as it should be introduced. Elon Musk's recent comment on Tesla's AI Day suggested the EV maker has delayed the Cybertruck until late 2022. Friends, Tesla's factory in Texas is primarily associated with Cybertruck. It used to be Cybertruck Gigafactory before it was called Giga Texas. Despite the fact that the first cars to roll off the assembly line will be the Model Y, the whole world is awaiting the start of the Cybertruck production, Tesla's iconic electric pickup truck. Although Model Y is a very popular and desired car, at the moment there are already two company factories producing it. Thus, Tesla partially satisfies the demand for Model Y, while Cybertruck is not yet in production, and the number of pre-orders for it is steadily growing more astounding. Tesla knows full well that the Cybertruck is a highly anticipated vehicle, so it seems to be wanting to do something special for the impatient future owners of its community. Recently, several Tesla enthusiasts and owners noticed something unusual about Giga Texas. Like I said above, a frame and partly a facade appeared on the western wall, which is in shape resembling the silhouette of the Cybertruck. When the lines are connected approximately keeping the given proportions, a rather curious silhouette has appeared which only vaguely resembles the shape of Cybertruck. However, ultimately the angle of the view can have a significant impact on its perception. There is possibility that Tesla really wants to decorate the facade of the building with silhouette of Cybertruck, which would be really cool and unique. Also, do not discount the possibility that the company made another joke in its traditional style to cheer up the community while the community is patiently waiting, charging up the anticipation of the start of production of the steel Gigafactory. Nevertheless, the appearance of this silhouette of the Cybertruck may be just an accident, although it quite surprising. So what do you think? Do you think this is just an accident or this is the real thing, friends? Now, I'm reading comments. Some people don't believe this is the real thing. One person says, why would you put an ugly triangles pickup truck silhouette wedge on a vehicle on the side of your building? The same person also said, when the truck fails, then you have to change the side of your building. Well, I don't think Cybertruck will fail, first of all, based on the current different number of reservations. But as another person commented in social media under Tasmanian's article said, if the truck failed, Tesla would be too busy changing the equipment and layout inside the building to care. That would likely be the case if the Cybertruck is successful also, since they, meaning Tesla, would be too busy ramping it up. I predicted you will spend more time modifying the joke to try to get it to be funny than Tesla will spend on changing the truck to be successful. I think this is a great idea. If Tesla is putting the silhouette of the Cybertruck on the wall, this will attract a lot of people to come to Austin, one of the places to visit when they come to Austin. So I wouldn't have guessed that this is the silhouette when I saw the video first time. Now the timer is running. When will the same thing come to Gigafactory Grünheide, Gigafactory Berlin, says one German commenter on the Tesla Mug German edition, which is located directly on the Autobahn. So maybe this could be good American marketing if Tesla also has the Model Y silhouette on the facade of Giga Berlin instead of the graffiti. Friends, this is Armin Harian from TorqueNews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla news and ring the bell so you don't miss my coverage. And since you gave me your time, I want to give you something really valuable. Be on your guard, friends, in everything. Stand firm, be awake. Be awake in the faith. Be courageous in this life and be strong. Don't be afraid. Do everything that you do in your life, in your job, in your family. Do everything in love, in selfless love. Have a great day. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you. And I'll see you soon in our next report.